Welcome to Knotty Double Creations. Today we're turning a navigator style pin with an Arctic ice pin blank. And if this is your first time to my channel, thanks for checking me out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down in the bottom and hit that bell notification so you're notified when new videos come out. I'd like to say thank you again for checking out my channel and this video. I hope you guys enjoy this pin. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. So if you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments down below. We'll see if we can make that happen for you. You guys have a great rest of your day and or night, and I will catch you next time.